Hey guys, Sean Lintz here from Appalachian DIY, and today we're here with homeowner Crystal, who would like to be able to hang some things on the side of her garage. So tell me a little bit about it.
So I have this metal flower I'd like to hang on the front of my garage, but I'd also like it to be able to be changed easily throughout the seasons.
Okay, I think we can help you out with that.
Okay, great, thanks.
Okay, Crystal, so there's two problems that we're going to need to address with this. The first is that this is a metal piece of art. So this piece here is sitting around 7 pounds, and if you get into some bigger wreaths, that's going to be putting a lot of strain on the side of your house as far as anchors go. So we need to address the weight, and we also need to address the quick connect thing, because a lot of times wreaths are just, there's a lag into your wall and people wrap around with cord, and that takes a little bit of time up on the ladder. So if you don't want to do that and you're not good with heights, we're going to have some type of system that we can just quickly attach it and then you're done.
Great.
Okay, Crystal, the first thing that we need to do is find a stud on your garage wall, because we need to address that weight issue, and we need to put our anchor into a stud and not just the sheathing on your garage. So we're going to use a stud finder with a deep scan function to find that stud.
Okay.
While you're sliding the stud finder across the vinyl siding, you'll see in the lower hand corner there is a box that'll show you when there is something solid behind the vinyl siding. Now that we've found the location of our stud up on your garage, we can go ahead and put in our lag bolt. This is what's going to be holding all of our weight. So we have a 4-inch eye hook that we can screw into that stud, and then to make it a quick change, we're going to use this double-ended snap hook. So we can snap right onto our eye hook, and then we can snap right onto your artwork or a wreath. So whenever Christmas comes around, you want to put a wreath up, you can just change this out, snap this right onto your wreath, and then snap it back onto the hook. You don't have to be messing around up there with any ropes or anything, and it's nice, quick, and simple.
That's great.
Right here we have marked out where Crystal marked with the stud finder, so we're going to drill this out for the eye hook to go into. Now we can take our eye bolt and go ahead and screw it into our pre-drilled hole. Now that we have this almost all the way down in, it's getting a little tough to turn, so we can take a screwdriver, take it in here and turn it the rest of the way, and we're going to sink this down into the shoulder of this eyelet. Okay, now we can go ahead and put a bead of caulk around this to weatherproof this, since we made the hole in the siding, and this should be good to go. All right, Crystal, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Hand this up to you.
Got it. Oh, that was really easy. That worked great.
All right, good. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time. All right, Chris.
Sorry. I was fixing my pants.
Cut.
Oh, that was so easy. What?
This isn't like ShamWow, like, oh my gosh! Like, just normal. Oh, that was great. Like, this was really easy. Oh my god, that was easy! It's not like that.
Okay.
Like, natural. Like, you don't gotta spice it up. Oh my god.
I don't do natural.
We doing this again?
Yeah! You want that?